how to allow or don't allow duplicate songs in the music queue on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe up to go into the apps screen. In here, open up the Samsung Music. After that, we tap on the More button at the top. From the pop-up, tap on Settings. Then in Samsung Music Settings, scroll down. And then tap on Don't Allow Duplicate Songs. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And that's it. When you turn this on, then the music app won't allow duplicates in the music queue. After that, tap on the back key to go back to your music player, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.